Hi, I'm Rose Clancy, and I'm thrilled to share with you Bringing Montessori Home, the workshop. For the next few minutes, I will share with you some practical and fun ways of teaching your young children. This how-to DVD will give you insight into the fun and exciting world of learning using some time-tested Montessori materials. You will discover that learning comes through interaction and adapting to one's environment. And what better place to learn from than the place that you call home? Join me now in the Bringing Montessori Home Workshop.